Hello my friends, hope you're all well. Right, we're back on the Hyundai. See it, got the clutch cable. So we're just going to stick that on because the clutch is stiff on this, and there's a bit of play in the clutch. So what we're going to do is, now I've been told, so look, I don't know for sure whether this is the case or not, but if you've got a stiff clutch on one of these little Hyundai i10s, it's normally the clutch cable that's the problem. So okay, let's crack on and see if we can get it done. Right guys, so I don't know if this is the right or the wrong way of doing it, but just up inside there you can see that bolt. Okay, so I loosened that off. Give me a lot more play on the clutch. So, and it's just a hook and loop basically. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it hooks over. So basically it just hooks on. Right, so far guys, it's been fairly straightforward. Got two bolts or two nuts on here. They're fixed, so they come out all right. So they go down on here. You've got another bracket that goes on here, which is this bracket here, which is attached. Hang on. Oh. So that's attached to the existing clutch cable. That comes in. Let's see it. It all comes in as part of the new clutch cable. There is a 10mm bolt just down here. I'm just trying to get out, which again is just another support bracket, I suppose. And then obviously I've got to get down on the clutch arm. That looks a bit more difficult. I might have to jack it up, I don't know. But anyway, so far so good, and seems to be fairly straightforward. We'll give you another little bit of update in a sec. So guys, the clutch arm is just down there. I don't know if you can see it. I could try and point it out here, but anyway, it's just here. And I think, oh, it's on a split pin. Okay, I think. I don't know what that is. I'm trying to work out what that is. Anyway, oh yeah, you're right. Okay, right. This is your clutch cable here. I mean, in another video I said it was somewhere else, didn't I? But anyway, that's your clutch cable there. So I'm just going to move this split pin and get this off, and we can start the process of putting the other one back on. But it's down here. It's at the front of the engine. There's the battery, front of the car, and it's just right, guys. We've got it off. Like me, I'm trying to work out why there was a split pin on there. So I can't see where it went because it was just a hook, just hooked on. So not sure. Anyway, yeah, it's popped out, and rightly so. My friend James, well, he's not my friend because he doesn't know me, but I'm always willing to give him a leg up because he's quite a knowledgeable guy. He did say that you can adjust these clutches, and he was absolutely right. You can. There's a thread on there. So yeah, we'll have to see how we go. But it's off, and we're going to get the new one on. So we'll do it step by step and see how we go. Yeah. So this is a little. This rubber here goes down in there, just down in there. I don't know if you can see the gap down there. So what I'm going to do to help it go in a bit easier, I'm just going to use a silicone like grease lubricant. I'm going to just smile it around there to help it go back in, because it was a bit tight coming out. So if I lubricate it up, hopefully that'll go back in a bit easier, because it was quite tight. So I just thought I'd let you see that bit as well. Anything that you can do to make your life easier. So yeah, I use this because obviously I use this in plumbing when I'm resealing O-rings and stuff like that. So on diverter valves and bits and pieces on boilers. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that bit with you as well. Right guys, tuck the cables on. That's the new one. That's all on. I had a bit of trouble adjusting it, but yeah, it did eventually adjust. So and the clutch is much better now, a lot softer. Yeah, it comes up quite a bit as well now, where it did before. So yeah, just like good one. So just to recap, you've got like a hook and loop on that side, hook and loop just under the pedal. Loosen, there's a back nut there, you loosen that right off, and yeah, it's not that hard to do actually. It took me longer to adjust it, but there you go, it is what it is. And yeah, basic toolkit, don't need a lot. As I say, there's that bracket there, and then just a couple of bolts there, and then the hook and loop. Pretty straightforward. Take the airbox off, easy, really easy. So anyway, I hope this helps, and you know, if these videos, if you like them, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Yeah, over 100 subscribers now. Happy days. I'm well happy. Thank you so much, the ones that actually took the time to subscribe. Yeah, thanks. I really appreciate it. Thank you.